India is a country with great north, south and east-west extension. It has vastness, and this vastness, due to this vastness, there is a different type of topography and a wide range of weather condition, and it is different at different places. Based on Köppen's system, India has three major climatic divisions or groups, with subtypes ranging from arid desert in the west, alpine tundra in the north, humid tropical region in the south and southwest, and humid subtropical in the east. Here we can see. Talking about the location and the latitudinal extension, our country is, as we know, in the southern part of Asia. So it's latitudinally in 6° north in the south and 37° north in the north, and it is 23.5° on latitude. Tropic of Capricorn passes through it and through the middle of the country. The southern part of the country, being closer to the equator, experiences direct sun rays and high temperature throughout the year, but they have a tropical climate. The northern part of the land have subtropical temperature climate with comparatively lower pressure. Now, why it is so? Because of the great Himalayan range. As we know, in the north of India, starting from Kashmir to the northeastern part of India, the whole area is covered with the great Himalayan range, which stands as a barrier in the north of India. It has a definite influence in controlling the rain-bearing monsoon winds in India. It is for the Himalaya that the northern part of India gets profuse rain, because this Himalaya, it prevents the monsoon wind to live in here. The Himalaya also protects our country from the cold wind of the Central Asia in winter and the wind that comes from Siberia. Now we will read about the relief feature. There is a very relief feature of country. Extract influence over the distribution of temperature and rainfall condition. The pressure, as the Himalaya is there in the north, the Western Ghats and the Western Peninsula India force the southwest monsoon wind to cause rainfall in the foothill regions of the Himalayas. As it is being obstructed, when it is obstructed, it goes up, and as the clouds are formed, so the Himalayan mountain hills gets good amount of rainfall. And on the western coast of the plain, western coastal plain also. The higher parts of the altitude region of South India, laying within the hot tropical belt, are not so hot as they at higher altitude. Distance from the sea, yes, distance from the sea affects the weather. Water which takes longer time to heat and cool down than the land, heat up and cool down than the land. So the areas which are near the sea has moderate influence on the temperature. As we can see that India is a peninsular country surrounded by sea on three sides. The coastal areas have equitable climate, but areas away from the sea experiences extreme temperature, like the part of Madhya Pradesh, which is far away from the coastal areas, so they have continental form of climate. Monsoon winds. What are monsoon winds? These are seasonal winds that blow from the opposite direction 2 times in a year. During summer, being attracted by the low pressure center on the land. Southwest monsoon winds blow from the Arabian Sea, carrying moisture towards the land. They cause profuse rain over most parts of India. This period of southwest monsoon is known as the rainy season in India, as we know. And during winter, when it is cold and dry, monsoon winds do retreat from the northeastern direction. Now, when this wind is coming, the wind blows over the land and do not cause rainfall over mainland India. But while crossing Bay of Bengal, it picks up moisture, and that's why it caused rainfall in the areas of Coromandel coast of Tamil Nadu. Thus, monsoon winds does plays a vital role in shaping the cultivation of India and the climate of India also. Without this rain, the agricultural field would not have prosperous in the winter season. Next comes jet stream. Well, what is a jet stream? It is a strong, dominantly westerly wind air currents known as jet stream bring changes in the upper air circulation over Indian land mass. So this jet stream do affect the wind. During winter, the westerly jet streams are responsible for bringing western disturbance, that is from the Mediterranean region, into the Indian subcontinent. And during summer, the easterly jet stream, that means the coming from the eastern side, causes the outbreak of set on the southwest monsoon that we are experiencing in India. Tropical cyclone and western disturbance. The frequency and the direction of the tropical cyclone that develop in the Bay of Bengal influences in the weather condition which we have experienced 2 years, that is the Amphan one, as well as the northeast retreating monsoon season also have its effect. They bring sudden inclined weather condition. The western disturbance blowing from the Mediterranean region in winter causes rain and hailstorm in the northwestern plains and sometimes snowfalls in the hilly regions of India. Next comes La Nina. These are warm ocean currents which appears near the Peru coast, that is in South America. It is temporarily replaced by the cold Peru current flowing along the coast at that place. It happens as they are blowing, it increases the temperature of tropical Pacific waters by about 10 degrees, causing flood and drought in the tropical regions of the world. India, laying in this tropical region, do experiences such flood and drought situation and is also affected. La Nina or anti-El Nino is the cooling of surface ocean water where in the tropical west coast of South America, and it causes heavier summer monsoon in Southeast Asia, which benefits Indian economy because they bring monsoon winds for our agriculture and industry, which is quite helpful. Okay.